G'day, Peter here. This isn't, a big deal, but some people are interested in the prices of the things in Vietnam, and one thing I've noticed is like when I go out to people's places for dinner, very often rice isn't served, and I thought rice was served with every single meal, but it seems to be that you go out to dinner at somebody's house, and because you're the guest and it's special, and that they buy a lot of meat. And so you eat the meat first in the meal, and then you eat the vegetables, and then at the end of the meal, if people are still hungry, they eat a little bit of rice. But if there's no visitors, normally they eat rice and just a little bit of meat. So it's kind of like when all your mates come over, you throw all the snags on the barbecue, a couple of big steaks or something, and you don't eat a lot of veggies or that. So that's all good, but if you're going over to people's houses, regularly, then you might get this impression that they don't eat a lot of rice. And I've been coming here for 2 years, and every time I go to people's houses here, it's just been the special barbecue, as it were, and we don't eat much rice. Anyway, today, because it's our house and we bought this house, we've got to buy some rice. So my darling Lily, who's just made some mango milkshake smoothies for us, come on Em, she went down and bought some rice, and you literally buy a sack of rice like that. It's in like one of those shopping bags, and they just measure out 10 kilos of rice. And so 10 kilos was 195 VND. Nearly dropped my phone. That would have been expensive. 195 VND for 10 kilos of rice. So $10 is about 150 VND, 155 VND. So it's like $1.25 a kilo or something, which isn't very dear, obviously. Like even in Australia, it's about the same price though. So relative to their incomes, it's still, they spend a lot more on food here than what we do in the West. It actually, I think, I saw some, like World Health Organization stats on it that said that in Asia they spend about a third of their income on food, whereas in America they spend about 4% or 5% on food, and in Australia I think it was about 8 or 10% on food. But anyway, so sack of rice, we've got enough rice for a while, and $1.25 a kilo, or 195 VND. Now that's from a little shop, 4 kilometres from town. I don't know what you pay for it in the big shopping centres, but I imagine it's more from the big shopping centres. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hope people are enjoying my updates of living in Asia. If you want to know anything particular, message me or let me know, and I'll see whether I can find out for you, or I'll ask the family. All right, bye.